Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 10th, 1913. Value and Effects of the Hours of the Passion. The love of Jesus is fire that burns evil and gives life to good. This morning, my always lovable Jesus came and, hugging me to his heart, told me,
"My daughter, one who always thinks about my passion forms a fount within her heart, and the more she thinks about it, the larger this fount becomes. And just as the waters that spring up are waters common to everyone, in the same way, this fount of my passion which is formed in her heart serves for the good of the soul, for my glory, and for the good of all creatures."
And I, tell me, my good, what will you give as recompense to those who will do the hours of the passion the way you taught them to me? And he,
"My daughter, I will look at these hours, not as yours, but as done by me. I will give you my same merits as if I were in the act of suffering my passion, and the same effects according to the dispositions of the souls. This, while they are on earth, and I could not give them a greater reward. Then in heaven I will place these souls in front of me, darting through them with darts of love and of contentments for as many times as they did the hours of my passion. And they will dart through me. What a sweet enchantment this will be for all the blessed."
Then he added,
"My love is fire, but not like material fire, which destroys things and reduces them to ashes. My fire vivifies and perfects, and if it burns and consumes anything, it is all that is not holy, desires, affections, thoughts which are not good. This is the virtue of my fire, to burn evil and to give life to good. So if the soul feels no tendency to evil within her, she can be certain that my fire is in her. But if she feels fire mixed with evil within her, it is much to be doubted whether that be my real fire.